Hey guys, it's Maylee, and today I will be reviewing Save a Unicorn Society Slime, and this was sent for free for the purpose of this review, and all opinions are mine, and they're honest, of course. The package came really quick, and they sent 6 unicorn slimes in tin containers, which is really cute, and each one is labeled with their name of what kind of unicorn slime it is and the website, which is saveaunicorn.com. Each container is labeled differently. As you can see, it has different names at the top. So this one is unicorn blood, and the next one is poop. So they all have different names that correspond with the glitter or color of the slime. All the slimes are in plastic bags and they're really easy to get out. This first one is unicorn horn, and it has a really nice color to it. It's kind of like silver whitish, and once I cut it open, it was really easy to get out the slime, as you can see, and the slime also had some silver glitter. This next slime is unicorn poop. This slime is a pretty pink color, and I think it's pigmented, but I'm not sure. It left a bit of residue at the beginning until I played with it, and it was more stiff than the other slime, as you can tell by me trying to pull it and press it together. This slime is unicorn blood. This slime has a blue/gray coloring to it, and it has green glitter, making it look really nice when you stretch it because it's like a clear slime. This next slime is unicorn kiss. It has a really nice purple color, but once again, this slime, like the pink slime, was a bit stiff and hard to pull apart and press back together. This slime may be color changing, but I'm not really sure. If it changes color because of heat, then I would not be good at that because my hands are always cold. This next slime is Unicorn Dreams. This slime has a bluish gray color once again with green glitters, and it's really soft and stretchy. This next slime is Unicorn Tears, and this has to be my favorite slime out of the package because it's super clear and those glitters are adorable. these slimes are really high quality, but I kind of think they're more like putties since they're a bit stiffer and stretchy and bouncy, as said on the label. They are also really good for swirling, but it does take practice to get them looking really nice. And you could also twist them, which is cool because you could turn them into unicorn horns. Also, be sure to check out their Instagram. It's at Save a Unicorn Society. Their page is really nice because it's colorful and you could see what they're up to. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below what your favorite slime was out of this package. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Fairyslimesss or melee.ft. I also restocked my Etsy shop with lots of cool slimes if you would like to check it out. The link is in the description below. So if you would like to know more about Save a Unicorn Society, go check out their website at saveaunicorn.com so you can know what they're up to and when they're about to launch. I think they're also holding a giveaway for their slimes if you want to join and win these amazing slimes. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Bye!